Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the watch has enough charge and your iPhone is unlocked and updated. This prevents interruptions and permission issues. Once done, open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Use the iPhone camera to center the watch's animated pattern so the devices recognize each other. If that automatic step won't connect, make sure cellular is off and select manual pairing. Then type the numeric code shown on the watch into your phone to link them securely. Next, you decide whether to restore from a backup or set up fresh. Restoring saves watch faces, apps, and settings, while new setup gives a clean slate. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID so Health, iCloud, and Apple Pay sync properly. Grant required permissions when prompted. Then set a passcode for security and select which apps to install now. These choices control data flow and battery use, so pick options that match how you plan to use the watch. Finally, you let the watch complete its sync. This can take several minutes depending on the amount of data and apps, so be patient and keep the devices close. Once synced, customize your watch face, complications, notification styles, and dock to streamline daily use. If something goes wrong, try restarting both devices, toggling Bluetooth, or unpairing and pairing again. Only reset network settings or erase the watch if simpler fixes fail, because those steps remove saved credentials and require reconfiguration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.